Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this video we are going to solve a LeetCode SQL problem, trips and users. And in the question we have to find the cancellation rate of request with the unbanned users on each day, and the cancellation rate must be in 2 decimal points. And to find the cancellation rate we need to divide the number of cancelled requests with the unbanned users by the total number of requests with the unbanned users. Okay, so in the example we have two input tables here, trips and users, and in the user table we have both banned and unbanned users here, and we only have user ID 2 with the banned status here, so we didn't consider that in our trips table. So to find the cancellation rate, okay, so find the cancellation rate on day 1. We have total number of requests 4, in which 2 are cancelled and 2 are completed. Okay, so but user ID 2 is a banned user, so we ignore that request. Now we have on total number of requests on day 1 to be 3, in which 1 is cancelled. Okay, to find the cancellation rate we need to divide the cancelled request, which is 1, divide by the total number of valid requests or the unbanned user request, which is 3. So our output will be 0.33, as we can see in the output table. Okay, so let's write a query for that. Select request at as day. Now we status. Now we count the total number of status from trips group by request at group by days. Okay, so yeah, and okay, and we also use where clause here, in which where status, sorry, user client ID, where client ID not in. Now we using subquery here. Select user ID from users where band is equal to yes. Okay, now we selecting request status, total number of status as total. Okay. Now we also select the cancel request on the same day, so we using the case statement here. Case when status like cancelled, then 1, else 0, then we close that and okay, as cancelled. Okay. Now we need to calculate that, so for that we are using sum function here. Okay, yeah, now let's run this query. We need to divide the cancel request with the total number of requests. Unknown users, okay, users ID here. Okay, So in the output table, we get the day status. We didn't require the status here. Okay. We have cancel request on day 1 is 1 and the total number of valid requests is 3. Okay. Which is same as other 2 days. Okay. Now we divide the cancelled request with the total number of requests. For that we are using CTE for the clean code or the clean query. Okay. So with CTE as select day cancel divided by total as cancellation rate. Okay, from CTE. Now we need to use the round function here because we need to get our output in 2 decimal point. Round to. Okay, let's run this query. Okay, we get our answer as expected. On day 1 we have cancellation rate 0.33, on day 2 0, and on day 3 0.5, and this is our query for that. We use CTE, subquery, case statement, group by in one query. Thank you for watching.